Hey everybody, what's up? It's Erica. I wanted to hop on really quick. I just hung up from my friend Mel and we were just talking real estate as normal, right? And I wanted to share a quick story with you guys. It's on how I made $14,000, and this was here recently, maybe a few weeks ago. How I made $14,000 in under 14 minutes, right? And check this out. This is all legit, legal, crazy, right? And it's in real estate investing. So to put some of the myths to investing in real estate behind, you do not already have to be filthy rich to invest in real estate. Yes, you can invest in real estate broke with little to no money and little to no time. So I'm just going to give you a quick story on how I was able to do that and drop a few great gems along the way. So a few weeks ago, I was online utilizing my energy budget. I think it had been like a long day, and I was just sitting in the living room on the sofa, and I had my laptop, so I said I'll get on Zillow really quick. I found a property. The sellers had this house listed for $120,000. The property was in really good condition, just about rent ready. I shot the seller a text message from myself and letting him know, like, hey, I'm Erica with Davis Investment Solutions. I'm actually sitting here and I saw your property on Zillow listed at 123 Main Street. I'm very interested in purchasing this house. I'd like to offer you, I believe it was $85,000, and we can close in 10 days with my attorney. Buyer said, no ma'am, to the $85,000. So, and that was a pretty quick turnaround with him responding. So we negotiated for a couple of minutes, and then we agreed upon $100,000 for the house, and that was cool. So we're maybe all in right now at about 5 minutes of my time. I then saved some of the pictures from online, emailed them over to one of my cash buyers, my end buyers, when I'm not keeping the house myself and I'm going to wholesale it. And wholesaling, for those of you that don't know, that's one of those tools in our real estate tool belt that we can utilize, basically where you contract the property and then you either assign your contract to someone else or you actually double close on the property, meaning that your name will actually show in the chain of title. And that's one of my preferred exit strategies anyways, but neither here or there right now. So I emailed the property over to one of my end buyers because, like I said, this was not a rental that I would keep or flip because it wasn't in one of my areas that I flip or rent in. So I emailed my guy over. He messaged me back within 1 or 2 minutes. We negotiated a bit. I think I sent it to him for $119. We settled at $114. With $114 with the end buyer paying closing costs as well. So in about 10 days with my attorney, we closed and I made $14,000. And it could have been well under 14 minutes. I'm unsure. But we can debate that another day. But that's some really good money. And wholesaling is definitely the way to get there. If you guys would like me to go more into detail on this story, I definitely don't have a problem. Please just like and comment more details, please. And we will do a part 2 of this, and we can actually walk through the numbers of this deal. I think that'll be cool and beneficial. Now, I'm running a tad bit, well, not behind, but I have an appointment to go to at 2:30. So I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.